Hey guys, and welcome back to my blah. Hey guys, and welcome back to A Day in the Life with me. My name is Brian, and I really wanted to reintroduce myself. So this episode, we're just gonna be talking about behind this particular series, and also me as a someone who loves to post a lot. Kung ano ba yung reasons behind it, and also our plans for this particular series. So I wanted to start with my introduction. My name is Brian, and I am working currently in an IT industry consulting company. And I really love doing a lot. So I'm working. I'm also trying to engage myself in the academe also. So I'm very active in my previous university, rather, which is really one of my passion, which is to share knowledge with people. Ano pa ba mga ginagawa ko? So I've been currently running. I'm actually in my running era, so kaya nakaganito tayo. And you will notice we have an area of our running medals. So hopefully more medals. And just a funny story. So when I was in elementary and high school, so hindi ako masyadong tawag dun, competitive, especially when I was in grade 2. Hindi talaga ako competitive. I mean, there are a lot of times na pag nag-exam ako nung grade 2 ako, nagpapabilisan kaming matapos. And I think siguro dahil makulit akong bata at that time. So, pabilisan lang talaga kami. And eventually, I think there's one thing in my life that really changed me. That really changed my perspective in terms of school, in terms of the value of education. And I become more competitive. And I realized na, alam mo yun, parang lahat naman yata ng bagay natututunan. And I think yun yung isa sa goal ko back then when I was studying, is to, say and have a sense of fulfillment na lahat to natutunan ko because of my hard work. But yeah, that's actually story that I wanted to share to you. And yes, aside from doing runnings, being involved in the academe, so I'm trying to be physically fit because we're not getting younger now. So we have to make sure that we're eating the right food. Iwas na tayo sa mga, alam mo yan, sobrang fast food. I actually organized a a fitness challenge, like a Biggest Loser challenge, or weight loss challenge rather, with my friends, and I think we were able to achieve significant changes there back then. Last year lang yung December, and nakakatuwa lang kasi it helps me to be more active, it helps me to be more disciplined, and I was able to to reduce my weight from like around 7 to 8 kilogram, which is I'm pretty happy. So ngayon medyo pumayat na tayo, pero syempre hindi tayo mag-stop doon. So we have to be consistent in terms of what we're doing, in terms of what we had planned, 'di ba? Yun nga, kasi syempre tumatanda na tayo. Hindi na pwedeng parang pa easy go lucky pa rin tayo, 'di ba? And yun yung mga bagay na I do usually post on my social media. So I'm sharing a lot of things from my achievements, from the things that I firstly experienced, because I'm a late bloomer person. So ang daming hindi ko na-experience back when I was in high school, college, na-experience ko lang when I was able to have the means of doing things, bumili ng mga ganitong pagkain, ganitong gadgets, etc. So I usually post those things and wanted to share things na to all the people na na nakakakita ng post ko that hard work really pays off, diba? And listening to the right people, listening to the right mentors really helps you to improve your perspective in life and also your thoughts and knowledge with the reality. So, ayun. So, yun ang reason why I post a lot. And hopefully may mga natututunan kayo at may mga na-value kayo sa mga pinapost ko. But yeah, we're doing a self-life short editions, which is a daily short vlog of what I did for a particular day. And the story behind it is actually when I was in elementary hanggang mag-college, meron akong day-to-day diary talaga. So nagsusulat ako ng lahat ng nangyari sa akin, lahat ng ginawa ko, lahat ng kasalanan ko. Ano ba, lahat ng bursting emotions ko that particular day, sinusulat ko. And then what are the things na I learned from that particular day. And the reason behind it is it made me realize a lot of things. It made me realize na mali itong ginawa ko. I should have done better. It's like your retrospective na instead of a quarterly or a yearly retrospective in life, it becomes a day-to-day retrospective, which is good because I was able to become better with what I do back then. I become better in school. I become better as an individual, as a person. And also it helps me to cherish the memories and also able to go back to those memories if I need to, if I want to revisit those lanes, diba? And yun yung isa sa reason ko na pagsusulat ng diary. And I don't know where are my diaries now. So kung may makakabasa ba nung diaries na yun, hindi ko alam. But there's a lot of things na nilagay ko doon. Lahat ng frustrations ko, lahat ng gusto kong i-achieve, lahat ng mga ginusto ko nandun. Lahat ng mga hindi ko na-achieve din nandun. Lahat ng mga disappointments nandun. And now, in a digital world, syempre, si social media na yung naging day-to-day diary natin. And yun din yung isa sa purpose why I'm doing the Sup Life, the random dumps, and a day in a life with me. To be able to share what I did. I also have to document what I did. What are the things na na-experience ko on that particular day that I really wanted to share to people. And syempre, hopefully, there is something on those videos that motivates you, gives you more hope, gives you strength, give you knowledge and informations. And that's also will be our reason on improving and creating this kind of content in the coming days. So I wanted to share things, motivate people, share knowledge, brag, the joke. Document precious memories, diba? Yun yung pinaka-goal natin. And what are our plans for this particular series, A Day in a Life with Me? So, longer versions of what I did for a particular day, our thoughts on that particular day, and also knowledge or things that we wanted to share on that particular day, kung ano man yung mga na-experience natin at mga natutunan natin sa ganung bagay, and hopefully maibahagi natin at the same time makapag-inspire pa tayo ng mga tao.